In this video, we are going to cover image formation by spherical mirrors. First, we will cover image formation by a concave mirror. The first case is when the object lies beyond the center of curvature. To find the position of the image, we have to take two rays from the tip of the pencil. While selecting these rays, remember to select them according to the 4 rules we covered in the previous video. If you haven't seen that video yet, I have linked it in the description. Be sure to check it out before watching this video. Also remember that you can select the rays according to your convenience and don't have to memorize the rays which I have selected in this video. The first ray we choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus, and the second ray will pass through the center of curvature and get reflected along the same path. The point at which these two rays meet is the point where the image of the tip of the pencil will be formed, and the image of the base of the pencil will be formed on the principal axis. The image formed is real, inverted, and diminished or smaller. When the image formed is in front of the mirror, it is said to be real, and when it is formed behind the mirror, it is said to be virtual. Real images are always inverted, whereas virtual images are always upright. The second case is when the object lies on the center of curvature. The first ray we will choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus, and the second ray will pass through the focus and get reflected back parallel to the principal axis. As you can see, the image is real and inverted, but is the exact same size as the object. A trick while drawing this ray diagram is to first draw the image and then draw the rays to get an accurate diagram. The third case is when the object lies between the focus and the center of curvature. The first ray we choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus, and the second ray will appear to pass through the center of curvature and get reflected back along the same path. The image formed is real, inverted, and enlarged. The fourth case is when the object lies on the focus. The first ray we choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus, and the second ray will appear to pass through the center of curvature and get reflected back along the same path. As you can see, the rays are parallel to each other. This means that the image will be formed really far away at infinity. The image will thus be real, inverted, and highly enlarged. The fifth case is when the object lies between the pole and the focus. The first ray we choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will pass through the focus, and the second ray will fall on the pole and get reflected obliquely along the principal axis. As you can see, the two reflected rays are moving away from each other. This means that the two rays will meet behind the mirror, and thus the image will be virtual, upright, and enlarged. Now we will cover image formation by convex mirrors. Unlike the concave mirror, this mirror has only a single case, as the pole, center of curvature, and focus lie behind the mirror. As we did in the concave mirror, we will take two rays from the tip of the pencil. The first ray we choose will be parallel to the principal axis and will appear to pass through the focus, and the second ray will fall on the pole and get reflected obliquely along the principal axis. No matter where the object is placed, the image formed will always be virtual, upright, and diminished. The concave and convex mirrors have a special case, which is when the object lies at infinity. In this case, the rays from the object are considered to be parallel to each other and the principal axis, and therefore meet at the focus. Due to this, the image formed is point-sized. That is it for this video. Be sure to comment the topics you would like to see covered in future videos. Click that subscribe button and check us out on Instagram at inspire.edonline to learn something new every day.